So sometimes whenever I'm thinking to myself and I'm out on these rides, I'm like, bro, people really be listening to me just talk about absolutely nothing, which is pretty cool, okay? It is cool nonetheless, and I appreciate every single one of you. But I really be talking about nothing and everything all in one. It's like a rolled up ball. Not even a ball. Can we do like a cylinder tube? Yeah, it's like a rolled up cylinder tube of just dumb ideas. It's like one of those wind up toys that you get. You know, it had like the little dial on the back and you spin it all the way to the max, and then you just let it go, and then it starts moving and making all those different movements and sounds, and I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore, bro. I don't even know where this conversation started at, but I hope that y'all have been having a great day today.